Welcome to another edition of Python for You. This morning I thought I'd start taking a look at the string library in Python, and I've got a very simple little program here. I've got the constants that are in Python 3.3, and I thought I'd mention one other thing while I'm here, and that is when you're looking for documentation on Python, when you go to the documentation pages, one of the things you really need to be concerned with is this right here at the top, Python version. Depending on which version you're using, things are different. So there might be a different set of constants defined in the library. There might be a different set of methods defined in the library. You need to be very careful, especially the 2.7.5 to 3.x break. Lots of changes in Python. So when you're looking at this stuff, be sure that you're looking at the right page. When I was preparing this, I accidentally got to the 2.7.5 page, and not all the constants are the same, so I got some errors. So you need to be aware of that. In any case, having said that, these are the constants, so you have things like ASCII letters, ASCII lowercase, and so on. This is some formatting examples. There is completely a mini language within Python in formatting. If you're familiar with doing printf in C, you'll probably mostly recognize what's going on in Python, although the syntax has changed some in Python 3 from using % to using the colon and curly brace. But in any case, it looks kind of similar to what's going on in printf, and I'll give you a couple of examples and refer you to a place where you can find more information. So if you go over here to this example page, so you have string.html format examples, there's a whole lot of documentation here, far more than I'm going to go through here, but let's just take a simple look. So I have curly braces with 0, 1, 2, and 3. Those are the argument numbers, and then I'm going to replace them with ABC. And then I can also do named, so I can have street, city, zip, and then .format, street equal this, city equal that, zip equal that, and then I can print those, and we'll see what happens. So let's run this example, and up here you'll see all the simple constants. Then down here I got ABC, and then I got address, L Mulberry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can do named replacement or just positional. That's the main thing I wanted to get out to you about the formatting in Python. But it's a whole lot more than that. You really need to go through the format examples, and you need to go through the documentation itself on formatting. If you go down here, you'll find that you can get reference to the format function, which actually calls vformat, which has even more options to it. But in any case, pretty complex stuff. You need to read the documentation and just take a look at the examples. When I say complex, meaning it can do a lot of things, it's pretty simple to use, and you can get most of what you need just by looking at some of the examples and saying, oh, well, that's how I do this, that's how I do that, and you can get started doing that kind of thing. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Python.